Hey, what up? What up, man? I'm just gonna hop on and do a real quick video about this company, Better Trucks Inc. ad I found just searching, playing around Glassdoor this morning. Real quick, boss up, baby, get to the money. This is a company that hires car drivers, cargo van, box trucks, anybody. So trying to bring you guys as much content, as much companies that everybody can benefit from. So let's kind of go through Better Trucking. I did a long form video on this one as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. Link right there above. So we got 100 to 150 per route. Not a whole lot of money. Sounds like part-time money. Let's see what it's all about. How many hours you're gonna work here. How the Better Truck shift work. Sign up for the route. Make deliveries, get paid. Must be 21 years or older. Driver's license, social security number. Not sure about background checks. Now I am signed up for this company. I have not driven for them yet. But I do not remember doing a background check, but they do say had to pass a background check. Not sure you're gonna have to pay for it up front. Or if they cover the cost now. It was over a year when I got signed up and enrolling with this company, but I have not done some deliveries yet. So I might need to go ahead and take some up, see what it's all about, bring you guys some content on that. Download the app, complete onboarding, start driving. So this is when from the Atlanta area. I'm gonna start about 12, working from Tuesday to Saturday. I think it's about part-time. How many hours? Day shift. I want to say I saw something about some hours. Where did it go? Okay, here it is. Yeah. Most of the time, most routes are scheduled to last 4 to 6 hours. Finishing early means keeping the extra cash. Okay. So, they give me all the details, what it's about. So 4 hours, it's about, $100. It's about $25 an hour. Or if you do 6 hours, that's probably the 150 shift. So still right around that $25 an hour mark, which is not terrible. But you do got to factor in you are driving your car, so you are using your own fuel and wear and tear, so that kind of lowers your payout. But I know people working at warehouses, working at fast food, making $15 an hour, going back and forth. But this is a lot better than that. So I will hop on it, boss up, baby, get on it, jump on these opportunities, especially this holiday season. A lot of packages going to get delivered, so they may give you overtime or may even increase the pay. All right, so jump on it. Don't be afraid. And drop a comment, the city you are in, so I can find content in your area. But this Better Trucks is a national company, and they will be in your area as well. All right. But don't forget to check out these Glassdoor, these Indeed, these ZipRecruiter type websites. They have leads, they have jobs, they have opportunities available for you guys. You just see on this right-hand side right here, Amazon delivery, all the other delivery jobs they're just throwing my way and showing me kind of right around that same price range of $20 an hour, which is not bad, but definitely can get a lot more out here. But it's a start. So jump on it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're still here, I want to invite you out to my free Facebook group. Link down in the description to the free Facebook group. And if you need a consultation, you need help finding work in your area, it's not free. Just book a $50 consultation, and I got you. All right. Later on.